In previous video, we have discussed basic things, that is how to increase the column width, row height, and how we insert the data into cells. In this video, we are basically working on a basic formatting such as bold, colors, font, how we can change the font of word, how we can change the style, and how we can change the colors. For formatting cells, first we have there are many options in the tab. In home tab there is font area, and there is, we discuss with the different options. There is the your font type, font size, and there is font styling. For the font styling there are different options, for example bold, italic, and underline. And for the coloring of the different words, we use the different colors. There is the options in this dialog box. If we click in the a, then they open a new dialog box. There are different colors, we can choose any color from there. And if you highlight the cell, then we use the fill color option. If we use this and open this, there is a many standard colors, theme colors, and you can choose it. If you want to use a standard color, then you easily select these colors from there. If you want to more colors, use a different shades of colors, different types of colors, then we select the more colors. If you select the more color, then they open a new box, and for that dialog box there are different types of color. You can choose it from there. Is the light shades, dark shade, as you require. If you want to any shade, you can choose from there. And then in custom you can select it your own choice color. If you want to mix of different colors and different choices, then you can select it from there at different types. You can there is your choice. Custom is your choice. You can make a different shades of color easily. Basically, in your computer system there are three colors we can use. This is red, green, and blue. And the basic value of red, green, and color is 0. Starting range is 0, and up ending range is 255. If you want to color red, there is a 255 shades of color, 0 to 255. If you want to choose any shade, for example, if you want to choose, for example, if you choose the value of I write the 78, 0 to 250, 255, आप कोई भी color choose करना. If you want to choose any color, you can just write the 0 to 255 digit values, then the color of change. If the green color have a limit 0 to 255, blue color also have a limit 0 to 255 color. In computer, all colors are made of three basic colors: red, green, and blue. And the computer is used 16 million colors in there for three colors. We combine three colors and then we make a 16 millions of colors. You can choose there from your choice. If you want to choose there, you can easily choose from there. And then we drag and drop. You can select the color if you want. If you want to light pink, light gray, light blue, as your choice. Then okay. If you can okay, then the change of cell is color. The cell color is changed. First of all, it is blue. Then we can change the color, that is light purple, I think so. So basically, if you highlight the cell, you can select this option, fill color, and then we select any colors. First, we select the cell. First of all, we select the cell, then we select the color. You can easily change it color. You can want to, for example, yellow, then we change this color. Okay. Next option is how we change the font size and the font style, theme fonts and font styles. For example, if I write there in C1, cell number is C1, is simply write, for example, introduction to information technology. Just I write this introduction to information technology. If I select the C1, then they in the formula bar they write the full language introduction to information technology. But if you select the D1 column, cell number, if you select the D1, there is no title is there. If for example, if I write there is BSc honors, this is your word for introduction, and this is your BSc. Uh, they restrict the size of font. If you want to increase the width of the column, you can easily drag this one. If you do not want to restrict, do not want to increase that, you can select it and then go to wrap text. If you go to wrap text, then they change the height of your column, not the width of height of the row, not the width of the column, and then put the text in this way. For example, there is a writing introduction to information technology. I want to just increase the, if you uncheck the wrap text, then we select it, this one. Okay, and then if I want to change the font value, I select it. First of all, you select the text, then go to theme fonts and select any font. For example, I select Algerian. If I select Algerian, then they change the font style. If I change the size, then we can easily change their font. For example, I will choose 48. If I choose 48, there all text are disappear in this column, because the column width is height is very low as compared to the height of your text. So we can first, you two options, just you can select it and then drag it, grab the text. This is the option. If I simply select the 20 almost, you can, and then this is introduction to information. I changed the just height of the row. Introduction to information technology. And then if you want to change the styles of this, for example, bold, if you select the bold, then the information technology is set with the bold. If you want to italic, then select italic. The shortcut keyboard command is italic control plus I, and for bold shortcut key command is control plus B. For underline, you can use control plus U, and there we can just use this one. If I use this one, this is introduction to information and technology. If you want to change the font color of this text, then we can select it font color from there. This is A letter, and then we select it font from there. We can choose any color if you want to. I just choose red color, then I choose red color, then the text of the text color is red. This is the basics how to change the colors and how we highlight the your text cell. and and go to the next box, that is alignment. In the alignment, they have different types of options. For example, for the center, align left. If you want to write the text align from the left side, you can select it there. For in English, we write from the left to right, and Urdu will write the right to the left side. But in English, we write from left to right side. There is a basically in this scenario, we select the left to right. If you want to the your writing is your text is in middle, then we select this one. This is center of your content. If you select this, then they change the alignment of your text. It will move from the left and they move from the right, but in the middle of the middle of the cell. They display the text as the middle of the cell. If you want to right side of the cell, then we select this align right. If you set the align right, then they in, show this type of alignment. and and there we go to another is a number. There is a different types of options. For example, show with the if you want to show with the currency rate, if you want to show the currency values, for example, I write just 100. It is values we show with the $100. Then we select this dollar, and then we write 100. So then the value is considered as a dollar 100 if you write this one. And if you want to choose any other currency rate, then we use English for United States, United Kingdom, Euro, Chinese, and more accounting formula formats are there. You can choose any one from there. For example, if you choose Euro, then we write any value, for example 67. So this is the Euro values are considered. This is your percentage. If you want to calculate the percentage, you simply there we calculated percentage, there is a percentage. And this is for comma style format with thousands of separators. तो आपको सेपरेटर्स लगाने के लिए हम लोग जो करते हैं कॉमास को यूज कर रहे होते हैं. And this is your journal options. And there are different types of journal options. Is journal non-specific format, is number format, currency format. If you create an Excel sheet with the only for currency, then we select this currency. If you should first make a percentage, then we select the percentage, fractions, and scientific. If your choice, if you want to insert a data, which type, which type of requirements of your data, according to your requirement, you can choose it from there. And most of the time we specifically use a journal. Next one is another option. If you're selecting a non-continuous number of rows and number of columns, and how we insert our data into different worksheets. For example, if I write this 100, I want to write in thousands number of rows. You can just go there and there is a plus sign. Is a small square box, and after that is put it your arrow from the square box and just drag it. If you just drag it, as you drag it, that's all value are replaced automatically. You don't need to write again $100, $100, 100. If you write the same, if you want to highlight the some point, some area, for example, if you want to highlight that this row is a different color, is your heading row. If you want to merge two rows, uh, for example, if there we select a 4 and 5, number of row 4 and number of row 5. If you want to merge it, you can easily go to is the first of select the cell you want to merge. Two maximum minimum two number of cells, and maximum is unlimited, your choice. If you want to just only choose, for example, I only want to choose these two column. If I want to choose the column, then we select the column and go to merge and center. If I go to merge and center, then they merge the two cells. uh, if you want to merge the number of rows, for example 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I want to merge 8 8 number of rows up to 14 number of rows, then we select it and then we drag it, for example, and then we the merge and center. If I use merge and center, then they merge these number of rows. And you can highlight the change the, if you merge it, then we can change the color easily and highlight text in there, put any values easily, and then the working has done started. This is your basic way how to style formatting the Excel sheet. Not a if there I didn't put any formula, any other value, just I there we just tell it how to format the Excel sheet. If you want to change the format of table, then you select it from there. Format of table, it just show the different types of tables and different coloring schemes and the different column schemes. You can select it either from anywhere. If you select it, then you can choose it from there anywhere. If you choose this style format, then they show the different another new tab that is design, and you can select it from there different types of formatting. This is your basic way how we can change the Excel sheets.